So hello everyone, this is Coding with Ojas. Today I am going to be showing you 5 Firefox CSS themes which are going to make your browser look new. I'm also going to be giving you a third tutorial on how you actually set it up. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So here you see that I have one line Proton, which is a theme. First I will be giving you a tutorial on how to actually install themes. Okay, before you start, I am going to be copying this installation only. This will work with every theme. So first go to your Firefox browser and type this about config. So Control C and Control V. Now here what you are going to do is you are going to take this toolkit legacy or whatever this is, toolkit.legacy user profile customization style sheets. You can copy this and then you can paste it here, and then normally for you this will be false. Okay, set this to true. Oh yeah, and one more thing, maybe when you are coming to about config, something like this, if I put command V about config, you might get some like a message showing that you are going to a settings page where you will be, if you modify anything it can break your Firefox browser. Just ignore that. Okay, we are not going to be touching any other settings except this one, because this is the one that tells Firefox that we are going to be using custom CSS. So okay, now we can just remove this. You can restart your browser. So I'm going to pin this so that I don't really lose it, and also this one. Restart your browser, and when you are restarted, this is what you will get. Unpin. Now you would be able to customize your browser. So wait, let me unpin. Yes. Okay, so here, now after you've done all of that, you can go to your Firefox profile, which is right now here it says to about support, but I found even a much more better way. What you do is search about profiles. This will take you to a page where you can find your profile here, root directory, and this will be the path of it. You just can click open folder to open it, and when you open it you will get something like this. Okay, now what you need to do is you keep this in the side, and then you go here and you can install these. You can install all of this. So what you will do is go to GitHub, download zip here. Yeah, and when it's done, you can go here. You will need to extract this. So extract this. I recommend using 7-zip to extract it. And after you're done, what you can do is, I will put this here, and here we have one line Proton master. Let's delete this and this. By the way, don't worry about this, this is something else. And okay, so here you have one line Proton and master. You just click on this and you will have this user chrome.css. What you do is you create a Chrome folder. If you don't have a Chrome folder, just make one. You can click new and then folder, and then you can create a new Chrome folder. Okay, right now I have back up this Chrome folder. This is all my settings for my CSS. It is in here. Okay, so don't worry if you have any problems. Don't worry if you will think that I will lose my themes. So okay, it is already back up. What you can do is delete this. Not like you. Yeah, okay. What you do is create a new folder. Name it Chrome. And don't ask me why it's named Chrome. It is kind of the opponent of Firefox. But don't ask me, okay? Just it is like that. Now you take this user chrome.css and move it here. Okay, now what you do is close Firefox and reopen it. and you will get something like this. This is one line Proton. This is one of the themes and which I really like. Okay, here you see this has made everything more minimal and gives more space to actually concentrate on your, if you want, like whatever you want to call it, like your space, your website. It kind of makes it in one line. That's why it's called one line Proton. So here you have all your tabs and also this. These are your pin tabs, and this might collide with each other, which is kind of, you could just customize this toolbar and you could remove these extra spaces which you have if you are using my theme. Okay, and after you remove that, you can click done and it shouldn't collide. Okay, it's still colliding. Yeah, you can just work with this customized toolbar. What is happening? Yeah, don't worry about that. It's just my Firefox glitching out. Don't really matter. Okay, now you can close. Now I'm going to show you the second theme. So here, if you want any of these themes, you can just go search Firefox CSS store and you can get all of these themes. Okay, that's a small note. Okay, after that, let's go to our second what you call theme. Okay, wait, where did I have that? Yeah, here, Firefox themes. So okay, so these are all the themes which I like, and in the last I'm going to show you the theme which I'm using. Okay, and I'm also going to show you why it's different than others. Okay, so here we have then Firefox themes master. This is just simplify darkish. So now the second theme will be simplify silver peach. This is actually very nice to look at. It kind of looks minimal too. Wait, I'm going to show you. You move all of it here. Yeah, replace the file in destination. Okay, here you have all of this. What you are going to do is now you are going to open Firefox, and this is how it looks like, the first look. The problem with this, you might have a problem with this, is that it might not work on the dark theme. So what you could do is go to the settings and change it to light theme somewhere. Yeah, here. Yeah, it's still not working. You know what, maybe it's just that my Firefox is maybe outdated or not working with this theme. Okay, but maybe, yeah, I think maybe this is an outdated theme, but no problem. Instead of this silver peach, you can use something else. You can also use simplify darkish. This is made for the dark theme. So we have yellow, purple and gray, and here simplify yellow is what I will choose. You can choose any of these. Here you can choose any of these. Now after that, let's open Firefox and see how it looks. So now this is more of a dark theme, which kind of makes it more nicer to look at. Wait, let me customize this. Yeah, remove these flexible spaces. Okay, here this is how your browser might look like after installing this theme, and I'm not gonna lie, it is also looking very good. Yeah, maybe if you don't have any problems with it, yeah, just make it dark, and if you close it, it looks pretty good. It looks like more transparent. I don't know why, but it looks transparent. Look at this, it's not transparent, it's just floating text. It kind of looks like that. Okay, now, and also macOS style buttons. This is also the reason why I like it. I really like macOS. Now you can close this, and we are going to see the next theme. Also, by the way, all of these themes are in one theme only, because they are in the same Firefox themes master folder only, so that's why. Then also we have simplify XP. So what this will do is just, it will make your browser look more like Windows XP, kind of like this. Yeah, it would look more like an old browser, more Windows XP. So all of you who love Windows XP, I know there are many people who still love Windows XP even after Windows 10 launched. Windows XP is out of date. So if you want that Windows XP look, you can try this browser. It has these Windows XP like buttons. This is also, I also like this one because I mean it is pretty cool. Then you can close it. Now I'm going to show you another theme in this, and simplify sunset. Yeah, darker or light and dark. We can choose darker. Here, now we are going to launch Firefox. And well, that's how it looks. It is also having kind of the, what is that? Okay, yeah, it's a line. So this is also having a macOS theme, the buttons, and this also is dark only, and it is pretty good to look at too. It kind of improves the experience, and also when you hover over the any tab, it becomes red. Yeah, maybe it's just because of this theme. Yeah, but it still looks cool. It looks gives more attention. Okay, now you can close this. Now the simplification I didn't really like much, so let's move on to the next one. Then yes, then we have Firefox vertical tabs custom UI. This one is kind of just like this also has a user.js file, but I'm not going to use that. I just need the looks. And new tab image. Okay, yeah, this is also required. So you must put this. And what is this SS? Oh, this shows whatever is in this. Oh, I think I understand what the user.js does now. Okay, so the user.js will help in making it more. This is also CSS file you must put. It will make it more vertical tabs, so you must also include this. What I'm going to do is already like kind of put it in my own user.js file, like the hardened JS file. So I'm just going to copy this, and then let's go back. So I must go back to my here. I have a user.js file here. I hardened my Firefox. Okay, so this is the reason why. So open. Now you go down, and I'm going to make like a certain file for this. So I'm just going to copy this, Control C, Control V, THEMES, themes. I'm just going to make it look more nicer. Okay, now I'm going to paste that code. Not this one. Yeah, here. So I think I saw something. Yeah, it also turns on this for you. This one, toolkit.legacy user profile customization style sheets. So yeah, then it will just make you look more. It will help in allowing the style sheets. So now I'm just going to save this. Save. And you can close this. And now I'm going to open Firefox. So now you should have vertical tabs if you did everything right. What just happened? Yeah, I think I messed up something. Yeah, maybe you should just put the user.js file. So yeah, maybe this theme does not really like work for me because I hardened Firefox. If you didn't harden Firefox, this will work great for you. Firefox isn't closing. Alt F4. The good old shortcut Alt F4. Okay, so I'm just going to go to user.js and remove that code which I made. This is the reason why I like added this like what is this? Yeah, themes. This is the reason why I added this, so that I know that this is ending. Like this is where I need to delete. Okay, Then we have this White Surf Firefox theme, macOS. This is the 4th theme, and this just makes your Firefox look more like Safari. I'm not going to spoil it fully. Another thing you must do is you must go to your Chrome folder and put all of this back in here. So somewhere around here, no, not here. Yeah, I did nothing to it. So okay, then we have this Safari theme only. So here we have the Chrome folder, so we don't really need to make the Chrome folder, but still we made it. It's pretty good. And we also have a readme. Wait, we can read this because sometimes you need to know what you have done wrong. Okay, so like you can read this. Yeah, not really good. Well, I think it is everything over here. Wait, what is it? GitHub folder. Okay, you think so? You go here and put the Chrome folder here. It made a second Chrome folder. Wait, yeah, okay, here. And let's see, what is it? Configuration. Okay, these seem like these are some important files. Wait, just a minute. I want to see something. Does it look like? Yeah, okay, that's enough only. This is the Safari theme only, the Whiteser theme. This makes it more like macOS. If you see, it shows Firefox, but it looks more like macOS. It looks like macOS and it feels like macOS. This is also a really good theme. This will be the 5th theme. No, actually 3rd. Nah. Okay, this is the 4th theme. The previous one was the 3rd theme. Yeah, I kind of got confused. The 5th theme is my theme which I'm using. So, okay, this is the Firefox theme. Now I'm going to be showing you the theme which I use. So if we go to new volume I already have this saved here. So what I'm going to do is this user.js also I'm just going to copy. Okay, here. Now I'm going to paste it here. Replace the files in destination. So this is a theme which I'm using, mod blur. It also looks kind of like macOS. I actually did some settings to make it look more like macOS. And what this does is just it is just having a blur theme. Actually this also has one theme which actually makes it blur. So just a minute. Okay, yeah, nothing happened. You don't need to see that. So okay, this is my favorite theme and I'm using it every day. And for this theme, if you want the exact looks like this, wait, I need to show you in the new tab. There is kind of a bookmarks tab also. I can show you that. Customize toolbar. I'm just going to put something here and you will see. Yeah, you need to use flexible space to center it, but yeah, actually I kind of destroyed the previous data because to show you how it looks. Okay, now you see it actually appears like this. It pops out like this. If you want this exact theme, I'm going to leave it in my GitHub repository here. Okay, so here if I go to new volume here I have this Firefox here. I'm going to leave both of these in my GitHub repository. And you might be thinking, what is the user.js file? It is just the settings which I use to harden my Firefox. So like I am more protected and more private. You know, privacy is like everything in internet. So this is the JS file which I am using. It is actually BetterFox only. So if you go to Firefox and search BetterFox, it will appear in your first link. Yeah, here, this one. It will actually show you how to use this user.js file. Then when you are done, you will be more private and Firefox won't be tracking everything you are doing. So yeah. And so I'm going to be leaving this in the GitHub repository. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe I might make more of these videos which are not really related to coding, like this one only. And I also hope you subscribe and like, so this video is available to more people, because if you don't know, the more you subscribe, the more this video will be like this, the more this channel will appear in the list of YouTube, in like where you can see. If you go to YouTube normally, yeah, youtube.com, if you go back normally, you would see these videos that come up in your, like, let's say I'm just going to write a space. It does not show suggestions. So if you keep, yeah, I think actually, yeah, okay, yeah, just subscribe and like, and maybe this video will appear to more people, and it can help other people's Firefox also, the browser also make more nicer. It looks nicer. Yeah, really, I can't talk today. Yeah, no problem. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.